the recording.
Yep.
Hopefully this time it's not crashing or being weird. So before transferring, Julio and Simona, the
Yep.
project name, I think the transferring app is using the project name. So please
Okay, so then we have to rename the folder, removing our names. Is that?
no, just click this pencil here and edit. Remove this part.
Here, what do you mean by here? I don't think you're sharing your screen, are you?
Oh, sorry.
Okay. Yeah.
Sorry for that. Yeah. So just if you click this,
Yeah, that's what I meant. Yeah, I mean, remove our initials from the.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. And then the next step is to start the analysis. It's now the actual transferring.
Okay.
And on the filter tools, just type in VGP. Then you can see our dedicated public pipelines that are available. I see the VGP Falcon pipeline is also available to the public.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
But,
After the
yeah,
and there is the export there on at the bottom. Right.
right. Click this
Okay.
one. And when you click it,
Agree and install. It has came for an installation. Is it?
yes, agree and install. When you click it, you can see the input files
Okay.
and the gear. So the important thing here is the species name. So your species name was
Kawarako.
Erythrolophus.
right. So put that in here like this, and there should be an underscore. And using this information, and save it. Using
Yep.
this information and the project ID, it will get stored on the genome arc. Sorry, it's in Korean. I don't know how to change that, but
Maybe.
yeah. So it's following the address, the convention that we have.
Okay.
It's gonna be under genome arc, species, Taurako, Aries,
Okay.
and here you can see we have the genomic data.
Okay.
And we need to add the output of us Falcon.
Right. So you need to add the input files, but here again it's a bit cumbersome, but I hope you follow me. So it's the
Basta.
you have to click on each folders and click the files by name.
Really?
Yeah.
The folders.
Yes, for each folders. You can see number of items selected.
Yeah.
If you go over to jellyfish, you can see the numbers increases.
Okay.
This is how you include all the files.
Okay. Yeah, we're making it.
Yeah. So please go down to unzip stage 5 and select. And let me know when you're done.
Okay.
Okay. Once you're done, you can see that the Run as Analysis button is activated. And then just,
We have selected about 768
68.
files and select.
mhm.
Wow. Mhm.
Mm-hmm.
And you have saved the species name, right?
I think we, for some reason, I mean, we couldn't see the list when we push the select button. So,
Oh.
so no, it's working. Again.
Oh.
So
Okay, good.
apparently, because I mean, it only says files are ready. There is no list of files or anything. But I think it's okay.
Okay.
Is it? No.
No.
No. So I think we have to start over. I mean, I'm not sure about it, but
Yeah. If you're not sure, just start over. I can close this. And let's see. Charles' example. Yeah, I see nothing. Good. No project. Okay.
no.
Perché lo faccio select e si non lo vedo.
Adesso perché non succede niente.
Oh, you made everything.
Yeah, but the folder is empty.
Yeah. So Charles, you just have to transfer these two files. Do the same thing. Start analysis.
Okay.
Nine.
Click here, BGP.
Poi non vi faccio vedere.
Sono giusti.
Guarda, sotto. Però prima li ho selezionati tutti.
Non so perché non
And select this exporter and do the same thing. And once you have set all the input files and the species name, here for the species name, Charles, you can just put in anything like Charles underscore Lee, kind of.
Yeah.
Yeah. Make sure to follow the naming convention. The L should be small lowercase.
Come tu hai schiacciato subito, aspetta.
No, non ho schiacciato niente.
Ma tu
Non ho fatto ripartire.
no, perché tu non hai aspettato e ci hai schiacciato di nuovo sopra. Cioè, basically, mettiamo un pochino girato.
Ah, può darsi.
So we are set, I think, and
Okay.
do
Then
qui.
click the run button.
Ma
on
tu
the-
non ho già fatto questa cosa.
Adesso me la vedo.
Right.
Ok.
Run as analysis.
Yes.
Okay.
E
I'm also ready to analyze
Yeah.
my genome.
No.
Good. So here on the slide, we went through the steps. Click the VGP exporter. Set the species name. Get the input files, and then hit
Ah,
the
sì,
button.
l'ho fatto. Ci due, mi vedo messo.
Really?
Mm.
Oh, I think
Eh,
we probably missed two files. Though the one we moved, we didn't select them.
Mm-hmm.
Is that a problem? Can we move them?
You can move them as a separate job.
Yeah, separately.
Okay.
Yeah. Just make sure that you're not moving the same file over again.
Twice, yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
It's gonna be probably make an error message that the file cannot be transferred or something like that.
Yeah.
But yeah, once you start the analysis, it's built around 15 cents or so. It's a very cheap process.
Okay.
And you can monitor which files, no, not which files, which workers are working,
Are being
being transferred. And at the end, you can see that if you haven't touched anything, there will be some kind of a log file under your project. Think, which example? Let's see. This was transferred from some other trainee. You can see that which file got transferred.
Okay.
Well, yeah. So yeah, I think we are almost at the end. So I will show you how it looks like on the buckets. here again, if I refresh it, should be able to see, not there yet, probably. Just transfer. Charles, has yours finished?
Still learning.
Still running, okay.
Yeah,
If
finish
Charles' example finished, then you will see here a Charlie species.
Very new species.
Do you
Almost
see our
saved from extinction.
Wow.
you see
Wow, thank you everyone.
our naming convention, Charles? So it should be capital and then lowercase for the species.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So here I can see Charles' two files that I.
So the files that are transferred, I mean now you are on your AWS accounts,
Mhm.
but if we want to view the same pages that you're showing now to us, how do we do that? Should we also have an account and navigate through the AWS, or?
Yeah, you could do that either on the command line.
Okay, yeah, that I know. Okay.
Yeah, that's the way I think you can do it now. And to browse it through the website, you need a special permission
Oh, okay.
administrator, which you will probably get once you are ready to upload your Mito genome.
Okay. Cool. But then if you, because if one goes to on the GitHub page,
Yeah.
then also you can also see the files directly there, or there is something else.
Yeah. On the GitHub page.
Because on the GitHub page you only have the final files, right? The assembly.
Oh. Yeah, that's the link to the assembly. That contains the link to the assembly, and the steps are generated locally, and the final report is uploaded to the.
Okay.
It doesn't
There is
contain.
no connection between GitHub and AWS.
Right.
So I'm trying to connect from the command line just to have a look at the screen. Am I escribing?
Tauraco. Ah, no,
Ah, sì.
Tauraco. Così. Eritrocchio, H, Rulopus. Eritro, Lo, H, Piatos.
Ok, e lui si chiama B.
B,
lui,
Taveri.
Okay, now I see your file.
Okay.
Good. Yep. So you learned how to transfer.
Yeah. Well, I also, I can also see them from the command line. So the assembly BGP standard 1.5.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cool. Thank you, Arnie.
Thank you.
So yeah, the next step
Thank you so
will
much,
be.
Sarah. Mhm.
Yeah, the next step will be, so you do the same thing essentially for the step in the pipeline. Once you're done with transferring, use the C1 and C2 files for PerchAppliTix, only the C1 file.
Mhm.
And once the PerchAppliTix is done, you will see two files again. One will be curated assembly, one will be curated haplotics or alternates, kind of, and you rename them again as P1 and P2, just as you did for C1 and C2. Put them under intermediates and start transfer.
Okay.
Mhm.
Yeah. So, and that should be pretty like more other steps. Okay.
For now, I only see 5 folders under the Falcon Unzip on the
Yes.
because it's
It's
still
still
ongoing, right?
running.
Yeah,
Yes,
okay.
yes,
Great.
yes. Okay.
Okay, I'll stop sharing the screen. Mm,
Okay. So
Do you have any questions?
no, it's a
Everything okay?
yeah, I think so.
Okay.
Good.
No, thank you, and I'll see you tomorrow, I think, and also on Monday.
Yeah.
Like being there or being here.
Okay. Stop the recording.